Being a makeup lover, I have so much makeup, but yet I always want more. And if you're a makeup lover, you know what I mean. It's always that latest, greatest palette that comes out that really catches your eye. You go back and forth. Should I? Shouldn't I? Should I? You hear the person on this shoulder saying this, the person on that shoulder saying that, and you can't decide. And finally, you go ahead and you pass it up. And then now it's discontinued, and you wish you would have picked it up. That's what this video is about. Makeup that I wished I had, palettes I wish I had, that are no longer available. If you want to see what they are, stay tuned. Okay, so the first palette, obviously I'm going to be putting pictures right here because that's what this video is about. I don't own any of these. So we're going to go over these. If you have any of these palettes, you are so lucky. You are so lucky. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first palette that I wanted so badly, I talked myself out of, and now I wish I had it, was the ABH collab with Mario. I'll put a picture of it right here. And he is a famous makeup artist. He's known for doing Kim Kardashian's makeup. They're actually doing a collab right now that they're going to be releasing with some products. But this was one he did with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I really thought it looked beautiful. I heard great things about it. And I never grabbed it. So that's the first one. The second one is Kat Von D Metal Matte Palette. It was a very large, long palette, and it had both mattes and metals. And I thought to myself, oh yeah, no, I don't really need another palette. And so I let it go. No longer available. And I heard nothing but wonderful things about this palette, and it's nowhere to be found. So I waited too long on that one. Another one of Kat Von D's palettes that came out around the holidays, and there were so many releases at the holiday time, and I had to sit there and pick and choose which ones I wanted. And so I passed up the Saint and Sinners palette. And now it's gone, and you can't find it. And it is now when I was going between Huda's Desert Dust or that one, back and forth, and I picked Huda. And I'm glad I have Huda's, don't get me wrong. It's one of my all-time favorite palettes. But now that it's all said and done and the dust has settled, now I kind of want that one, and I can't have it. So if you have the Saint and Sinner, you're very lucky, because I wish I would have had it. And I don't. A palette which is like a quad to me from ColourPop, because ColourPop just recently started making palettes, but years ago Coffee Break with Danny did a quad called the Metamorphosis quad, and it had some shifting eyeshadow pods that you would put on a dark base, and you put this on and it would transform, and then you put on light base and it would transform, and it was so cool. And at the time, I financially just couldn't, you know, it was like not that it was real pricey, it was just something I just couldn't do. And so I didn't buy it. And I often think about that quad and wish I would have gotten it, because it was absolutely beautiful. And it's nowhere to be found now. Another palette that I waited too long on was the Tarte Swamp Queen palette that was with Graveyard Girl. Now this palette, I like Graveyard Girl just fine. I'm not like the huge fan of her, so I wasn't going to go out and get it because of her, per se. But I just kind of waited on it, and I wasn't sure about it. And after it's all said and done, I'm thinking now I kind of wish I would have picked that up for my collection, but it's gone. A makeup palette that I wish I would have gotten is the Tarte Big Book of Blush, I think they call it. And they make a couple blush books, but this one in particular is no longer available. I've searched for it and searched for it, and it can't be found. And I feel like this one in particular had the best reviews, and I wish I would have picked it up. I heard it was a great one. It was a great bargain. Not too long ago, it was on their clearance for some, I remember a video saying that, for like half the price, and I didn't pick it up then either, and that's something I regret, because boy, I would love to have that Tarte Big Book of Blushes. Well, that's just a few of the items that I have regrets about that I didn't buy, not that I did buy. If you have any product regrets that you waited too long on and now they're gone and you can't find them anymore, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear yours. I mean, I think there's only so much makeup and so much money, and so we just have to pick and choose. But then when we have the funds available, we waited too long. So that's what this video is about. Some of the products are discontinued, no longer available, and I wish I would have picked them up when I had the chance. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!